Hey guys, it's Caden from the BC Gaming, and welcome back to a new video. And last time we ended off talking to Consworth here, and so yeah, let's just continue on from there.
Stay with me, pal. Focus.
Tell him to focus. I'll turn it up for you guys so you can hear.
You left in such a hurry. I thought for certain you and your family were dead.
But we ain't dead, bruh.
I did find this holotape.
Cool.
I believe the missus was going to...
Thank you.
Thank you, Consworth.
You're welcome. Now, enough feeling sorry for myself. Shall we search the...
Cool.
All right.
Round two.
Uh-huh.
I need to pickpocket him and see what he has on him. There's nothing on him.
Picking up hostile light, not this time.
Oh! Got that guy. Kill the insects. Consworth just did it himself. Where are they? Oh, okay. That man. Whoa. It like went through him. What the weird? Whoa. Look at that. Jeez. Cool.
My senses are picking up movement in another house. Follow me.
Let me take my bubble gum. Okay, so let's go over here.
What's all this?
What?
Found you.
Oh. Oh, dang, he's burning them. Hit that one. Oh, I missed that one.
I was just getting warmed up. Sir, happy isn't real either.
I know. Yeah, they're
Thanks
really
for
gone.
trying, Consworth.
You can't keep up.
I like these people already.
Oh, good. Maybe you'll get along there, and they can help you find young Sean. I shall remain here and secure the home.
Guys, don't forget to comment down below if you want this series to continue. And also, leave a like on the video also if you want this to continue. Now, let's go to the Red Rocket place. Oh, getting rats. Good. Reducing your max health. Vision doctor to use red or use red away to restore health loss. 2 rats. It's a dog. It just says dog. I want to find such dog. Hi, what's up, bruh? Hi.
Boy, what are you doing out here all by yourself? You seem to have been okay, guy.
What's up, dog?
Okay, then. Let's stick together. Hey. How you doing, buddy?
Let's see if you can do anything. Please stay still. Okay. Can you do
Hey,
tricks?
boy, you know any tricks?
Oh! What'd you find? I feel like I know what he found. Ooh. Ooh, Stimpack. Another Stimpack. Pretty cool. Okay, so let's go check in here. Anything at all worth taking? Yeah, let's grab a hot plate, because I heard hot plates are a good source of material. That doesn't sound good. There's the Red Rocket Terminal. Cap stash, pretty cool. 18 caps, not bad. Cigarette carton, blah de blah de blah. Cool, I guess. What? Oh! That's what the dog. Okay. Oh, got that little rat, I guess. Oh, can you like stop Morat? Getting my dog. Get on, mate. Okay, is that all of them? That didn't sound like all of them. Oh! Wait, did he kill it? Okay. Weird. Anything in here? Ooh. That's cool. Transfer. Pretty cool. I'll take that. And we'll take... Okay. Pretty cool. Okay, so that's that. I guess let's go to Concord. Let's see what's over here first. Anything over here? What's this? It's a gas canister and a screw jack. Oh, hello. Mole rat den. Oh, I bet that's where the mole rats came from then. They came up from their den. Makes sense. Brain fungus, I'll harvest that. Sounds gross, but I'm doing it because it sounds like food. And food is good. Food. What's up? Yes. Oh, ooh, that face. Ooh, that face. Oh, that face. Oh, that face is ugly. Brain fungus, harvest more. Coolant, get everything. It's gross but true. Oh, I don't get too much rats from this. Ooh, fusion core. Alright. Pretty cool. Anything over here? Corn, dirty water, and vodka. Okay, pretty cool. Pretty decent stuff. What's up? Oh, that's a rabbit. Ow. Okay. Is there anything over here? Oh, there's a safe, but I don't have any bobby pins. Fine. Is there a bobby pin? Dang it. Suck. Okay, let's leave. Wait, no. Is it this way? Yep, it's this way. This way. By the way, if you don't have this game, I highly suggest you get it if you have the PS4, PC, or Xbox One, or whatever its other console or anything else it's on. Because this game, trust me, it's freaking fun. Okay, so all I have is a pistol right now. I want a double-barreled shotgun. I know there's one in this game. I know it. Ooh, I found Concord. I'm so proud of myself. So proud. Okay. Guys, watch this. Bam! Killed it. Did I kill it? Killed the bird, right? Totally killed the bird. Totally killed the bird. Okay, so now... Oh, there's people here. They don't look friendly. Never mind. Yeah. Got that one. Yeah, here's this guy. Oh, there's Knuckles now? Oh, heck yeah. Yeah, let's go into this with Knuckles. Am I right? See this guy right here? Oh, love it. Dang, bruh. Let me see what I can upgrade. Let's upgrade my endurance. So, 2 more stim packs.
The Raiders are almost to the shore. Grab that laser musket and help us, please.
Ooh, double-barrel shotgun. What laser musket? I'm gonna grab all those. Those fusion cores. All fusion cells. And I'm going to equip my short double-barrel shotgun. And do I... This. this, and this. So now I'm a little more equipped. And so now, let's go kill some raiders. I still want to use the knuckles though. Those are still really fun. Wait, did I forget to take the laser musket? Or did I take... I don't care. Oh, that's bad. I think I forgot to take it. I forgot to take it. I'm just gonna go with Knuckles. I think Knuckles would be the funnest to use. Okay, this way. Yeah! Punched it over. Boss! Okay. This is weird. Anything here? An upper skull. Ow! There's somebody. People are shooting at me. It's scary. Medics. Comet. Switchblade. Switchblade good? Where is it? Oh, that's stupid. Knuckles are better.
Time's up, asshole.
Oh, you sweared. Wait, oh, I didn't even notice you were there. Please hit him before he heals. Wow, really stupid. He didn't, he just sat there just like, oh, I don't know what to do now. Pipe pistol, useless. What's in here? Is this good? Is this better than what yep, it's better. Tire iron. This looks like a good weapon. Or at least for now. Yeah! Yeah! Ah! I'm gonna die. You guys are rude. I want more shotgun shells. More shotguns and more shotguns. Wait, why am I not using my door? Yeah, more shotgun. Oh! Likey. We definitely likey. Is that a door? Nope, it's not a door. I see you coming at me. Dang. This is actually really fun. Okay. Now, who do we have to kill? Oh man, we have to go all the way back. That's stupid. This way. I'm liking this double barrel shotgun pretty well. Locate the trap settlers. Okay. Hi.
Man, I don't know who you are, but your time is impeccable. Preston Garden, Commonwealth Minuteman.
Can I have your jacket?
I'm just passing through.
Fair enough. But the enemy of my enemy is my friend, right? And those raiders want us all dead, including you.
That ain't
Okay.
The world's changed so much. None of this makes sense.
You are.
Looking for an infant boy.
Yours or tracking for someone else? Used to be a lot of them. A month.
Okay, cool.
Tough break.
You don't know the half of it.
Nope. One good idea can make all the difference.
There's a crashed vertibird up on the roof.
Crash vertibird.
Old school. Pre-war. Well, looks like one of its passengers left behind a seriously sweet goodie.
T-45 column.
I like it.
Get the suit. You can rip the minigun right off the...
Right, you said minigun. That sounded like a good idea.
Minigun.
I know, right? Only there's one hitch. Suit ticket.
I'll help him.
What you'll need.
But we can't get to... Look.
I already have it.
Actually, I already grabbed the fusion core. We're set.
Well, all right. Maybe our luck.
Hey guys, anyway, I'm ending the video right here and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.